here too.
And the first approach. No.
Right here. Oh, there it is.
So, oh yeah, 727 Southwest. And about a touchdown. That was a pretty hard landing.
There's another plane.
Okay, is everybody
behind it too?
Oh yeah. Are you ready to get blown away by 737?
Oh,
I am. Oh yeah. We're talking like 5 feet above your head. What are you doing? Are you gonna try to really punch under 737? Oh, that was hard. Oh my god, somebody must have broken their neck. But there's a lot of crosswind. Oh. Magic. Right. Coming in for the landing. That has started a bit too early. Alright, there we go. Now it's... Yeah, it looks like a... Oh, I thought it was a go around for a hot second. Is that a firework? No. Oh, it's a mellow! Oh, that is loud. I am better than the Southwest one, but it was still pretty hard.
Any others? Flight radar.